Many, many years ago, I opened my own Pandora's box and went down the rabbit hole with my own inward journey and awakening about what is beyond the veil, and to see what our physical eyes don't always show us. I can honestly say I know I haven't even reached the end, tip of the iceberg, and I am so excited for you to join me on this exploration of what is beyond the veil, as well as creating your own ripple in this world, helping your clients as well as helping yourself. This practitioner certification course is designed for you to help shift the collective consciousness, to help heal yourself and to heal others in a deeply empowering way, and that's empowering them with knowledge. So as well as looking at the Akashic records, which is a database of all the knowledge and imprints from past lives, you will also learn how to explore and discover a soul's incarnation from other planets, what they do in the afterlife, their soul family, twin flames, their guides, and much, much more. This course is online video content and is jam-packed with practical exercises and techniques to help you develop your own intuition, as well as for you to remove your own blocks, subconscious and conscious body trauma that you've been holding from your past lives and your current lives. This is a rich tapestry of information that you're going to plug into.